I've been asked to comment on my experience here at Cedar Village Dentistry, and the thing I want to say is that in my history of dentistry, I've always had pain. And coming here, I was very surprised. Number one, it's in where I live, but more importantly, it's state-of-the-art dentistry. And I have very sensitive teeth. Coming into this practice with a hygienist and Dr. Dooley, after less than 2 years, the anxiety that I used to experience having to go to the dentist is gone because I no longer have pain. To me, that was the big deal. I now have pain-free dentistry. My hygienist is terrific. Dr. Dooley is terrific. I interviewed him before I came into this practice, my wife and I determined from his touch that he was a good dentist before I even sat in a chair and had an operation. So that was a big deal. The dentistry here is state of the art. The office is immaculate in the back. The people are very, very friendly. I can't speak about pricing compared to other places, but here, if you do not have insurance, which I do not, there is a program in place where you can get a membership into this program. You have reduced rates, and your yearly dentistry is taken care of under that program. So those are basically the reasons that I'm here. I will continue to come here. I hope this is my very last dentist.